Hello, everyone. Let's dive into a quick overview of Landr.com, a comprehensive platform tailored for musicians and producers. Landr offers a suite of tools designed to streamline your music production process. AI Mastering. Landr's AI-driven mastering service allows you to upload your tracks and receive professionally mastered versions in minutes. Music Distribution. Distribute your music to over 150 digital streaming platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok, while retaining 100% of your royalties. Sample Library. Access a vast library of over 3 million samples to enhance your music production. Landr Effects. Bundle. This collection includes 5 dedicated mixing tools: acoustic, electric, beats, bass, and voice plugins, each priced at $29, or the entire bundle for $99. Landr Stems. Easily extract vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments from mixed tracks using this AI-powered stem separation tool. Landr's pricing is competitive, starting at $8.25 per month, offering various plans to suit different needs. If you're looking to elevate your music production, Landr provides the tools to help you achieve professional results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.